Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on changing the battery of your Conga Ethereal Max. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. Let's dive right in. First, power off your Conga Ethereal Max completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. After powering it down, flip the device over to access the battery compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are usually 4 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. Next, disconnect the old battery from the device. Carefully unplug the battery connector, making sure not to damage any wiring. If the battery is stuck, you can use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out, but be cautious to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Now, before installing the new battery, it's a good idea to clean the internal compartment. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This ensures optimal performance of the new battery. Once the area is clean, take your new battery and connect it to the device. Ensure the connector is securely attached. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional help, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can have the battery replaced without any hassle. After connecting the new battery, place the battery cover back on. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. This step is essential to ensure that your device remains protected. Before you power it back on, take a moment to double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose components inside. If you ever need assistance, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs more convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your needs. Now, power on your Conga Ethereal Max. You should see that the device is functioning correctly with the new battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any concerns. And that's it. You have successfully changed the battery of your Conga Ethereal Max. Enjoy your device's renewed performance and remember to maintain it regularly for the best longevity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.